Hey guys, I'm out at Sage Ranch Park and I'm shooting some 4x5. Welcome back to the Studley vlog. Today we are over at Sage Ranch Park, which overlooks Simi Valley. I stopped off here after dropping something off at my friend's house, so I actually filmed this video all on my iPhone, which is a first for me. So I recently picked up this Speed Graphic 4x5 camera. I picked it up at a thrift shop and it was a great deal. It only cost me $89 and the leather on this thing is perfect. It's in perfect condition. The lens is super clean and everything works accurately. So this area runs next to the old Rocketdyne area, which is a Boeing plant where they had a big spill back in the 70s or 60s and there was a bunch of contamination. So this place is pretty chill because not a lot of people are out here, but it's completely safe now, so no worries about. I'm out here shooting some test shots using some 4x5 slide film and then also shooting on my Leica M6. So for this shot I was using the focal plane shutter, so I was shooting at 1,000th of a second at f/16. So that was metering for HP5 at 800. So this was a last minute hike, so I only had a few sheets of film with me. I think my favorite part was shooting with the 4x5 is just the setup and carrying the camera and framing up your shot and then being able to adjust using tilt and shift and then firing the camera and hoping that it turns out. I put my 15mm 4.5 Voigtlander lens on my Leica with a deep yellow filter, and it's pretty cool because it makes the sky extra dark. I hiked in about 1 mile to 1.5 miles, and it has this great overlook that you can see all of Simi Valley, and it's just beautiful up there. Now here's a trick. If you're trying to get a filter onto 4x5, but you don't want to spend extra money to buy the right size, just set it right on top. Thanks for tuning in to another Studley vlog. I'm coming up with some more, so keep an eye out and stay safe.